Hey guys, this is Mangalam and welcome to Macotech. So today we are going to review the newly launched OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. I hope you all enjoy this video, so let's get started. So first thing first, this earphone have pretty long battery life. Like one of the main reason why this review video took so long is the battery backup. I received this earphone at around 12 in the noon and after unboxing it, I started using it from 3 pm. That time the battery was at 100%. And you gotta believe me, I listened it to many songs and watched 2 movies. And after 1.5 days, it got dead. I think the battery life is terrific. It can easily give you around 16 to 17 hours of playback depending on the volume level you use. Plus the charging speed is also too good. I'm not sure about the claim that the 10 minutes of charge can give you 10 hours of battery life, but after the earphone were dead, I charged it for 10 minutes and been using from 7 hours continuously and there is no complaint. So yeah, battery life and charging is best. Second thing which I noticed just after plugging in the earphones is how comfortable this earphone is. Like I have previously used both Realme wireless earphones but none were up to this level. It will just melt in your ears, nothing to complain about it. Now let me ask you a question. Why people don't prefer to use the Bluetooth earphones? One of the main reasons behind this is that how simple it is to use the wired earphones. Just plug it into the jack and start listening. No need to turn on the Bluetooth, pair it with the earphones. Well, this earphone is the solution to this hassle. Like you don't need much effort to use this earphone. It has got magnetic control to basically turn on and off the earphone. You just have to plug the earphones to your ear and start listening to the music. That's all. Now another best connectivity feature is how easily you can switch between your paired devices. You need to pair the earphone to the one device and after pairing to first device, press and hold this button for 3 seconds and the device will go into pairing mode. Now connect the second device, that's all. Now you just need to press this button twice to switch between the devices. Trust me guys, this feature is really handy for the people who generally use 2 devices like a laptop and a mobile. You can switch between your mobile and laptop by double pressing the button and it takes around 1 to 2 seconds to disconnect from one device and get connected to another device. I really love this feature. Talking about the call quality, it's good. There is no distortion in the voice and other party was clearly able to listen my voice. Plus the range of this earphone is pretty good. Sometime I left my mobile on the second floor and went to the ground floor. Still I was able to listen to the music. So no complaints here. Now coming to the audio quality, I have listened to many songs in these 2 days. Like from Arjit Singh to Nuclear to Martin Garrix, I have tried to listen as many songs as possible. I am kind of addicted to listening music. And the sound quality in one line is nothing extraordinary. It is same to any of the ordinary earphones from Bose, Noise or Realme. And second thing is the bass, it's not up to the mark. Like if you are anyone who loves to listen bass race music on the cost of high or mid tones being a little suppressed, then you can go for the Bose or Realme wireless earphone. Now if you can sacrifice little on bass and want a sound that has good instrument separation and smooth high tones, then this is the one. It is not like the JBL earphone but definitely better than the other Bluetooth earphone under 2000 rupees. Now one thing I noticed is the sound coming out is very clear. Like when I was using the Realme or Bose earphones, there is some kind of background noise coming, maybe due to the Bluetooth chip used in the earphone. But the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z is crystal clear. If I can explain you the sound quality, it is same as of the Realme Buds 2 wired earphone which cost you around 600 rupees. So if you are looking for some Bluetooth earphone under 2000 rupees, I would say that go for this one. Or if you want a little more bass, you can go with Realme Buds Wireless. Or if you are tight on budget, then you can go for Bose wireless earphone. Okay, one last thing I want to say about this earphone is that it supports low latency mode, but it only works with OnePlus devices with Fanatic mode turned on.
So that's all guys, hope you like the video. Peace.